Let's jump right into today's topic. It is said by Daniel Keys Morrell, you can have data without information, but you cannot have information without data. My name is Tammy Ngadime and I'll be your moderator for today. But before we actually get into the topic for the day, I see we're already getting hellos, good mornings, good afternoons, fantastic. Hi, everybody.
So the truth behind the data. Let's try to uncover this today. The answer is not in going and buying and building better machines. It is that go and look at more detail as who generated it, when it was generated and things like that. So based on all of your standard questions, go and ask why. 4 key areas. Leave the finance, all the operations, if it is looking at it, and very easily you'll be able to build up an ROI answer to your executives. These are some of the problems which we have is in terms of the data coming into our systems. Whatever is the software, whatever is the business, whatever is the application which we are using, we are all inundated with data from multiple areas which is coming in now. So the second biggest problem is that with so much of data, how do we convert this data into information? And a lot of places, the relevance and reliance is on spreadsheet to get that piece of data. As you know that by the time that information comes in, it is late or it is irrelevant to the business. We are not able to do the service which is deserved because we are not able to identify who is the best customer in terms of business, in terms of margin, in terms of service, as the case may be. Suppliers are beating us on cost because we are not able to get consolidated information in terms of what we need to buy, when we need to buy. This information, when it is not there, we end up actually spending more because we are not able to correlate information. Some of that we will try to unravel and see what is the truth which we can get across to that.